Well, definitely the A7 is characterized by the rear end. We had the original idea with Walter de Silva to look very closely to the old Audi 100 Coupe from the late 1970s. And this boat tail finish, this almost negative shape of the rear end is our theme. We have been defining the A7, and I think this is a very strong, remarkable detail in the car. I would say, as we look at the A8, which is, let's say, our flagship, it's very majestic, very bold statement, and later on the A6, the A7 is in between, embedded in between. And the A7 for sure is characterized with very slim, with very straight, with very precise lines, a very low front end, and it's more, let's say, the athlete, the very precise athlete and very slim athlete. In the interior design, we really tried to continue the slim and athletic language of the exterior also inside the car. And it has almost a yacht or boat feeling with the wraparound theme in front of the dashboard. The dashboard is extremely slim and it creates a certain feeling of lightness. The car is very light. We have aluminum body panels, and therefore we wanted to create this feeling of lightness also in the interior. And I think this is really the marking point of the whole interior design.
When combined with the optional MMI Navigation Plus, the driver will get a touch-sensitive control panel called MMI Touch. And with this touch panel, he can enter his addresses, his telephone numbers by just writing the letters and numbers on this touch panel. And he will get an acoustical feedback, which helps us to keep his eyes on the road, and he does not have to look away from the road. And additionally, we improved the speech dialogue system, means the driver now can enter his complete address within one sentence. This means the city, the street, and the house number you can input within one sentence. That's very special.
For the first time, we will offer in this class the advanced sound system from Bang & Olufsen, which has 15 speakers with altogether 1300 watts of power. This system will provide sufficient sound for any sound enthusiastic, so there will be no wish open.
A lot of driving pleasure and a very high everyday practicality. So for example, the 3.0 TDI diesel with 180 kilowatt has a strong torque with 500 Newton meters and only 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers consumption. And as standard, we have the drive select, so the driver can choose between a sporty and the comfortable characteristic of the car. We have everyday practicality with the A7 Sportback. For example, the luggage compartment has 535 liters, and we can expand it to 1,390 liters, and it's very easy to use. It's very easy to load something into the luggage compartment. We have a very wide range of standard equipment for the new A7 Sportback. It is, for example, the multifunction leather-covered steering wheel. It is a two-zone climate control. The exterior underscored by the 18-inch aluminium wheels. For example, we have the full LED headlights with all the light functions. We have the UMTS online telephone with the connection to, for example, laptop or, for example, iPad. And we have the Navigation System Plus with the very innovative MMI Touch, the touchpad.